Alright, so we got picked up by Ate Glyza and her family. I don't know their names. And we've been driving through super crazy traffic. We're at a gas station just doing a little pit stop. We'll look at their gas prices and then try to do like the conversion in my head. But I don't know what the conversion would be. But it's by the liter, it's not by the gallons. Yeah, a lot of like a whole bunch of Jollibees on like every corner, which is pretty dope. Yeah, man. Okay, I don't know what happened to the video, but that video like stopped like mid-record. But yeah, we're here in the Philippines. It's pretty much like what you expect, but I don't really know what to expect. But we're at a gas station. They're doing a little piss break because I guess they've been driving around the airport like while waiting for us to arrive and get our bags and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty dope, man. Philippines. I haven't been here in 32 years, so I mean, I didn't know really what to expect, but it's pretty much what you think it would be, like what you see in movies and stuff. But it's pretty crazy, like traffic, crazy traffic. Feels like Hawaii. Feels like the humidity in Hawaii, especially at this time of day. It's like about 6:30 in the morning right now. So yeah. Hey, buddy. Alright, so I fell asleep on the drive here from the airport. But ooh, sorry guys, kind of bright right now. It's bright stuff. Yeah, it is. I'll give you guys the authentic sounds of the Philippines right now. Yeah, I fell asleep from the drive. I think it was right around I fell asleep like right around like the Pasig area. I fell asleep, and then I was like in and out of sleep while I was trying to upload to Instagram. Now we're here in kind of like Morong area, and it's still pretty warm, but everybody's inside the house. There's just a nice breeze outside right now. It's like a pretty busy street. Oh, the RJ's here. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Pretty cool little setup here. I'm literally like street side, guys. Look how close we are to the street. And how crazy. So in a little bit I'm gonna be going with mom to wherever we're going, and then we'll catch up to what we're doing later on. Yo, it's a trip right now because it's like super raining. And it's like still warm. It reminds you of like the Hawaii weather. But it's that humid tropical rain. It's like how we have in Hawaii, but pretty sick. We're getting the car worked on right now. Alright, so this part of the day is going to meeting. Midweek meeting, like we do back at home. Theirs is at like 6:30, so we're gonna be heading to the meeting. I'm like dripping sweater, it's like so warm. First time I'm wearing pants and an actual shirt. But pretty much we'll see you guys at the meeting. So the next morning we just had breakfast at home, got some coffee, and then we actually hopped on a tricycle to run some errands. So enjoy the audio of the road in the Philippines. Pretty cool experience. I literally just picked the worst time to come outside and vlog. There's like a procession for, I think, someone that died. I think it was a funeral. I literally came out at the wrong time. Stand by. Okay. So anyway, it's still passing by, but at least the orchestra and stuff is like on the other side of it now. We're at the bank, and Mom and I think Liza are doing stuff at the bank. But I just wanted to update you guys on like the trip so far. It's weather-wise, it's pretty warm. It's been like in the 90s, like high 80s and like 90s. Or wait, should I say in Celsius? It's about 32 degrees Celsius. I still can't get the conversion right, like as far as like Celsius and Fahrenheit. And like it's a trip because on Google Maps, when I'm looking at distances for like certain things, it literally gives me meters, or it gives me kilometers instead of miles. So I'm like, oh, it's this far, and I realize it's in kilometers. Catch up with you guys in a bit. We're gonna be going back into the bank.
Sabog ang buhok.
So we're going to a spot here called Aljen's. Not bad. So we're at this spot called Aljen's Cafe, and you needed to get that coffee fix. Because I started getting like a caffeine headache this morning. But just got a quad espresso, black. Audio is kind of low because it's kind of quiet in here. But yeah, we're just going in on some food. What'd you get, Mom?
This is sweet spaghetti.
Clubhouse sandwich and green pesto. experience. Right now we're getting gas right now.
Driving in the Philippines in the dark.
Yeah, at night. First time driving the Philippines, and she got me doing this at night. So right now we're filling up the tank. We don't know how much full tank is, but I want to estimate like about 30 liters. So that's about, I don't know. I'll do the math later. Anyway, that's that. Mom's gonna record me on the road. Peace.